What's up? It's Joe with OC Detailing, and the gravity is done. So this is the second gravity ever delivered in California, VIN number 13, and I'm pretty sure the first one to ever get a PPF install on it. And we did it here with this really cool color shifting sparkly film from STEK called DYNOprism. This is just like their clear and matte films and comes with a 10-year warranty, but it gives these cars a really unique look. Whatever color you put it on, it's gonna add some major bling to the paint and then add a color shifting effect and possibly change the color a little bit. So I'm gonna open the door so you can see what color this was originally. And you can see the effect DYNOprism has on the paint. So it went from that really cool green color to this really cool sparkly blue color. Our customer checked this out herself and she decided she wanted this effect. Now, depending on where you go, this actually turns purple. So over here, this actually looks more like a purple. Over in front of it looks kind of blue, and it'll do that color shift because of the DYNOprism. Now, there are no patterns for this car. There's literally not a single program in the world that has a piece of film pre-cut for this. So we had to do everything bulk. Luckily, that's what we're known for here. We are expert level installers at doing bulk installs because we do them all the time anyways. So basically, we had to bulk install everything, which means we had to lay a big piece of film out here, put it on the panel and trim it and tuck it the way we do. And we did it the way we're known for. So every edge corner got tucked and wrapped. And I want to show off a little bit because, you know, Ryan spent 4 days on this car, which I think should have only taken 2, but 2 of the days he spent doing stuff like this. This black piece all wrapped. I told him when this water dries out, we'll cut the gravity out of it. But along with like wrapping this piece, wrapping the lights, wrapping these lights, we're so big on form and function. And what that means to us is that we're gonna have PPF on here that is functional and it's gonna protect the car. But our form is where we shine, where we wrap and tuck everything in, even where there's like a 1/16 of an inch and there's like these gaps here that most places will not tuck film into because it has a tendency to lift, but we've got the secrets to doing that. And we spend a lot of time post-heating to make sure our edges stay down, especially when you're doing a color change, really important, right? But something we really excel at is using a knife safely. So a lot of this stuff wrapping it would be very tedious and very hard to do if you're not expert skilled with a knife, but Ryan knocked all of it out of the park. And then we finished the entire car by ceramic coating everything. We did D-quartz with C-quartz finest on top of all the paint, the wheels, the glass, the plastic trim. Now this car looks amazing, it's super sparkly, and it's gonna be easy to keep that way with just washing. This is the second car we've done for this customer, so he's very familiar with our work, our progress, and this one being extra challenging because we didn't have patterns for some of the stuff we would normally pattern. We still knocked it out of the park for him, and I know he's gonna love it. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OC Detailing. Please subscribe for more videos.